Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I will be teaching you about painting. Its name is a poolside area. Take your brushes, flat brush, round brush, detailing brush. Now we are going to start. Take it your cobalt blue color first for showing the sky. If you want to show the sky early morning, take it your cobalt blue color. Make it one strip. Remove your color from the brush. Take it water. Mix up till down. Slowly. One semicircle at the downside for showing the sky, because I am going to make it here a pool area. Take it brown color. Cover the portion brown color. Use your brown color to cover it. This is under sky. Now again take it Persian blue. Make it straight line at the center for showing the water. And few dribbling on the corner. Use it water. Remove your color from the brush. Now sow water inside. Blur it with water. Make it water downside. Show few lines inside. Here my water is ready. Now I am going towards upside. Take it dark green color to show the ground area. One dark green color curve at both sides. Now I am going to use it yellow color inside. So mountain will be found in light green color. So it will be look like a greeny part, a slopey hill with a grass. Same thing on the opposite side. Now take it black color for showing the stones. For showing the stones at a down portion. Here few stones. Now again take it dark green color for making the bushes which is grown on the edges of river. Patch it with a fan brush, or you can use it a flat brush. Here my tiny grass are grown. Same thing on opposite side. You need to blend your dark green color into a black color, so it will get a dark motions. Now if you want to make it more lighter, take it yellow color. Take it yellow color, make it more lighter. So you can get an effect of your greeny grass on a land. Here my greeny grass is ready. Now I'm going for the detailing. Take it your round brush. Here I am going to detail a pool area, one curve. Use your detailing brush sharply. One more curve for showing the bricks in a circular motion. Here it's a brick. One more curve for showing the bricks. You need to use it your black color. Use its sending line to show the bricks. Here our bricks are ready. Now I want to make it a big tree on a side view. So I am going to make it a patches of green color in the air. And few yellow color inside to show the texture of the green grass. Now take a detailing brush. Here my bushes is ready. Now I am going for a tree. Take your black brush, rising on upside. Make it few branches. Here my tree is ready. Now take it white color in your detailing brush to show the stones. Make it few curve lines to show the stones. You can also show some bricks shade by using white color. So here my poolside area is done. My poolside painting is also done.